Hey gamers, welcome back to App Guide. Hope the gaming community is doing great. So you've forgotten your Garena password and you want to reset it. It's a very simple process. Watch the video till the end and you'll do it in no time. Follow these simple steps. First thing you want to do is open your browser and search Garena. Go to the first link, which is their official website. On the top right corner, you'll see an options of account. Click on that. Here, when you go down, you'll see an option where it says forgot password. Tap on that. Then you'll be sent to their reset password page. Here you need to put in your email address, username or your mobile number. I'll put in my mobile number. Then verify. Then they'll send a verification code to your mobile number. Then tap on OK. Put in the verification code that you receive. Then tap on verify. Then you can create a new password for your Garena account. Then confirm the password. Then type on confirm. That's it. You have successfully changed your password and now you can log into your Garena account and enjoy playing your games. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.